Hello guys, my name is Samira. I hope you are good wherever you are watching this tutorial from. Today's tutorial is very engaging. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to cut and sew a V-neck shift dress that is trending. The cover picture has a long sleeve. Mine is going to have a short sleeve because of the material that I'm using is very small, but it's the same thing that we are going to achieve too. And the material that I'm using is very soft. So the material is very soft. Like I said, I'm using 1.5 yards of material to make this trendy style. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, please you can also subscribe now, share, comment and give this video a thumbs up please. Another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials to the end guys. I really want this channel to grow, so if you are interested to know how we are able to make this beautiful dress that you are seeing me wearing now, please I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end. So guys, please always watch my tutorial to the end. I really want you to support my channel so that my channel can grow, because I want this channel to grow. Like I said, you can share this tutorial with your friends, can also check other tutorials that we have on my channel so that you can also learn how to cut these ties on your own, because you already have other tutorials. We have similar tutorials on how to cut shift dress also. You can also check it. So please, let's get started now.
So this is the fabric that we are using. So we'll start with our tape rule, our roller and our chalk. So these are the things that we use and start with the measurement. So now let's start with the measurement proper, that is the length. So my length that I'm marking there is 37. So that is the 37 that I'm marking. So I will continue to mark it so that I will get my length. So 37. So that's what I'm doing there now. So what you also do that, just try to watch this video to the end please guys, and watch it to the end so that you can see all the details that I've done there and you can do it on your own. It's a shift dress that we are making. So that is the neck. So my neck that I'm giving there is 3. That is the 3. To bring down the neck is V. It's a V neck shift dress that we are making. So just watch what I'm doing here now. So that is the 7 that I'm marking there now. So after that, just for me now to use my ruler to roll it to get our V neck. So that is the rolling line that I'm bringing to the neck. That is the depth of the neck. So that is the V neck that I'm marking. So that the depth of the neck is 7. So I've rolled it. So we'll start with the measurement now. That is the shoulder measurement. And what I did here now is I folded this fabric into 4. So that is the back neck. So that I give out is 2 that I bring down at the side. So this is the weight of the body that we are using to cut it. What I have there now is 15. So that is the 15 that will mark throughout to get our dress ready. That is the shift dress. So that is the shoulder that I'm sloping. What did I mark there? I marked 1.5. So I will use my roller to roll it so that we'll get our slope at the shoulder side. So that's what I'm also doing there now. So always watch my video please guys, and watch it to the end and share it to your friends so that they too can learn from it and you yourself can also learn from it. So what I'm showing you is what I have said before. We have folded the fabric into 4. So what I'm doing there now, so I'm cutting it all together, the front and the back. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you, that you see me opening the cloth. So let me bring it closer for you to see what I've done there now. So that is the length and that is the shoulder side. So what I want to do now is for me to get my arm, that is my round sleeve. So that's what I'm marking there now. So what I did now, I'll just take it down. No, I've showed you that is 15, that is the weight of this fabric that we are using, and the amount of the material that we use to cut the dress is 1.5 that we are using to cut it. So it's all together, that is the front and the back, and that's what I'm doing there now. So I will just take it down throughout. So that's what I'm pointing at for you. Please guys, don't be annoyed because the chalk is not showing you very well, but that's what I'm doing there now. So just continue to watch this video and see every detail that I've done there now. So that is the where I will get my round sleeve, that is my sleeve. So what I marked there now is 8. It's 8 that I'm marking there now, but by the time I want to sew it on the machine, I will also show you what I will mark so that I will get my fitted, because from there is fitted at the down of it, that the round sleeve of it is fitted there. So by the time I want to sew it also, I will show you what I done there now. So that is what I'm showing you, what I marked there. We use 15 for the width, so I taking 15 down throughout, and coming to the downside, it will also be shaped a little. It will not just go 15 to the downside. What I mark at the downside is 11. What did I mark is 11, so that at least it will be fitted at the down a little. You see a fit dress that we are making, but coming to the downside, it will shape a little. That is why I mark it like that. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, let me also bring it again so that you can see what I've done there now. So I've marked it. So I've marked the neck, and the front and the back is what I've done there. I've marked it. The back neck is round, and bringing down the neck is 1.5 that I marked there now. So that is the chop there. So I've done it. So just for us now to cut, and that is the cutting that I'm doing there now. So please always subscribe to my channel, please, and watch it to the end, and give us a thumbs up and watch it to the end so that other people can see it and learn. Share it to your friends, please guys, because you are really doing it for me, and I want you to do it more, please, so that this channel can grow together. That is the essence of doing all this and showing you this video. I have other videos that I've done also. Please guys, also watch those ones so that you can also learn from those styles that I've done there now. So this is the cutting side. I've cut the down the shoulder side, the neck. So what I will do now, I will cut from the down side, and that's what I'm doing there, that my camera is not showing you, but that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting from the down side. So by the time I've cut it, come to the upper side, you will see what I'm doing there now. So that is the cutting side that I'm cutting from the down side. And now we have come to the upper side. My camera is trying to show you what I'm doing there now. So that is the cutting. So please guys, watch my video to the end, watch every detail so that you yourself can cut and wear it. Cut it and wear and see how it is, so that you will have the confidence of doing any style that you see. So I'm imploring you guys to do it the way you are seeing me doing it. Watch it to the end and subscribe to my channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, share it to your friends, please, and so that your friends too can also learn from it, please. So I've cut it. So what I will do now is just for me now to cut for the back, front side of it now, because I've cut the neck side of the back. That's why you see me cutting it round first. So can you see what I'm doing there? So I've cut it. So let me pull out the two of them. So what I want to do now is to cut the neck from the back now. So that is the neck. Please, for the front, that is the front side that I want to cut to get my V shift dress. Remember, it's the shift dress that we are making. It will not be tight on the person, it will loose. That is why it's shift like that, to drop a little. So that is the neck, the V neck. So after that now, I will also show you with my pin to pin it down, to show you how we're going to go and sew it on the machine. I will use the pin to pin it down to show you what I will do when sewing it. So that is it. So we have cut everything now, that the front and the back now we have cut it, and I folded it all together to get my cutting. That is, it's a 4 piece that I folded it and to cut it. So the front and the back is ready. So it's the cutting now. So let me open the side of it, because you see my scissors did not cut it out. So that's what I've done there now. So this is the next of the front now, like the v-neck. So what I will do, I will just take it to the machine. So let me lay it and show you what I will do now. So the front is what I'm laying. So I will take the back side now to also lay it together, and where we will start with the sewing is the shoulder side. So that is it now. So that's what I'm showing you. So can you see how to do it? So this is how you will do it on your own. Just watch every detail that I've done there. So I'm pinning it now for you to see what I will go and do on the machine and sew out. So this is it now. So this is what I'm doing there now. So I'm using my pin to pin it from the shoulder side. That's what I'm doing there, because that is how I will go and sew it on the machine. And after sewing it, I will iron it, and before you know, I will also join the side of it. So before you know, the sheep dress will be ready. So that is the pinning side of the shoulder. So just do everything that you are seeing. And how can you do it? Is for you to watch every detail to the end and see the outcome, and also do it on your own. Use fabric and cut it and do it, so that you will achieve all the things that you are seeing me doing. Because looking at it, it's a fine sheep dress that we are making, and you have seen it the way it is now. So please try and do it on your own. So what I've done then is I've pin it down. The way I'll go and sew it on the machine is what I'm trying to show you. So always follow up what I'm doing here now. So this is it now. So we have pinned it down. So you also go and sew the side of it. After sewing the side, just for you now to iron it. So now I want to show you how to get the sleeve now, because it's all cut together. Remember, I folded everything and cut it together. So it's the sleeve that I want to show you how to get. What I'm marking there now is 4.5. 4.5. Remember, 4.5 is what I'm marking there now for us to go to. So from there that I'm pointing, that is where you will take and start to sew. Do you get it now? So this are you now sew and sew and sew and finish it. So that is it. You have gotten your sleeve from there. So come to the other side of it now. What will you mark again? It's the same 1.5. That is to get your round sleeve. 4.5 is what you mark, and that is what I've marked there now. So after that, you just from you to start from that 4.5 and sew down and finish it up. So that is it. So this is what you do, and that is what I'm showing you, and that is what I'm doing here now. So after doing that, ironing everything, before you know, your sheep dress will be ready. So let me take to the machine and go and stitch and see how it is the outcome.
We have come to the end of today's tutorial. I believe you understood what we did here. If you don't understand it, you can watch it again, please. I really want us all to succeed here. My joy is to hear that you can cut and sew these styles I'm teaching you guys on your own. Please feel free to ask me any question on area you don't understand. I'm ready to answer you. Kindly subscribe now by clicking the red button under my video to subscribe now. Please do it now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, family members. Please ask them to also subscribe. Like I said, you can support my channel by watching my tutorials to the end, please. We have a lot of tutorials coming on this channel. Samira Z YouTube channel must shine this year, and we can do that together, guys. Please watch this tutorial. You can see how the style is. It's very unique and fine. You saw how we were able to bring out the sleeve. Please follow the procedure when cutting your own. Thank you so much for watching. Keep a date with me. I'll see you guys on Wednesday.